In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off safe mode without using power button on Samsung phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Samsung Galaxy is stuck in safe mode and your physical power button is broken or unresponsive, you can still return to normal operation. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen and you're going to expand it. This is going to show your control panel. And then what you want to do is tap the power icon, which is going to be on the top right anyway, and you're going to see a lot of different options. Now, all you want to do is tap the restart button and then tap it again to confirm, and the phone is then going to reboot and should automatically exit safe mode once you return. And what you could also do is the notification method. So on many Samsung models, you're going to see a persistent notification that appears when safe mode's active, and that's going to be on the top left. So all you want to go ahead and do is once you see it, it's going to say tap here to turn off safe mode. Tap that notification and then it's going to restart the same as the other method. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.